Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. It's me again, Jen, and today I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite appetizer. It's called Acharang Papaya. This is a pickled papaya. So let's start. First thing that we're going to do is to grate the green papaya. So I have here large grater and I'm going to grate this unripe papaya. I put the grated papaya in a bowl. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt, now I'm just going to mix it with my hand. I will set this aside for about an hour or until the papaya begins to sweat or release liquid. Next, we're going to prepare the pickling solution. I'm going to combine 1 cup white vinegar, thumb-sized ginger, 4 cloves garlic, 1 small onion chopped, 1 tablespoon peppercorn, 4 pieces bay leaves, and 3/4 cup sugar. Now I'm just gonna stir this until the sugar is well dissolved. Add 1/2 cup carrots. Then I will bring it to boil and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's done, I will allow it to cool down completely. Going back to our grated papaya, you may notice that it has released some liquid, so we're now ready to squeeze it to remove the juice. I will continue doing the same procedure for the remaining papaya. If you have a cheesecloth, you may use that. In a bowl, we're going to combine the papaya, 1/2 cup raisins, 1/2 small red bell pepper, and the pickling solution. Next, I'm going to mix it gently until well combined. For the final step, we're just going to transfer the achara in a sterilized jar. close it with an airtight fitting lid. And I will put this inside the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days to allow the flavors to develop before serving. Please note that when the achara is stored properly inside the refrigerator, it can last up to 3 months. This delicious acharang papaya or pickled green papaya has a perfect balance of sourness and sweetness. It is often served as a side dish for grilled or fried meats and seafood. There you have it, guys. It's very simple and easy to make. Please follow this recipe and visit our website at www.packayingpinoytv.com to get the full details. Don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when we release new video. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at packayingpinoytv1 where we release our daily videos. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!